Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, so guys, in today's video we are going to look at how to open up a company in Serbia or a business in Serbia, the process and the documents required when opening up a business. Yes, so let's go. Before we proceed guys, I kindly request you to subscribe, turn on the notification button, be notified every time I upload a new video. Yes, so guys, I'm going to share with you this because I own one, and I'm going to share with you the process and the procedures I had to go through to register the company. And yeah, I know some of you can be like, hey, when I travel to Serbia, I think like those who want to retire, they can be like, I want to open up a company and be self-employed. Yeah, you know, to be self-employed, I think it is the most interesting thing, you know. So we are going to look at how much it costs, or how much it costed me, and the taxes to be paid. How much taxes do you have to pay, when to pay, you know. Yeah, so stay tuned and let's go. Yeah, so guys, when I had an idea of opening up a company here, I approached one company that helps in opening up businesses, you know. So I went and approached them and I told them, hey, I want to open up this kind of business. What is the process and what are the documents required? So they asked me, like we were in a kind of a meeting, they asked me, what type of business do you want to do? Who are the shareholders? And because we still needed to know the tax implications. So I told them it's only me, it is a sole proprietor. So she said, okay, anyway, he advised us because there are other people who wanted to join the company, but due to the tax interest, they were like, if you have more than one person. So guys, this company is like what this company does, they file taxes for people every month. They have tax knowledge and they help in opening up business for people, you understand. So being it that they have tax knowledge, so they know that this kind of business pays this, its tax range falls in this gap, you understand. Like if you're doing this kind, like let's say logistics, they will tell you if you're having a logistics company, your tax range starts from this. So they with Serbian taxes, like they compute, like they believe there's an income, like each business has estimated monthly income. So based on that, they can compute and be like, for this kind of business you're going to open up, your taxes range is this, because this is how much income you are that it is expected for you that you make earn. So if you have like logistics and your income is ranged in 2,000 to 5,000, so your taxes are also ranged in that. So based on my business, he advised me, and yeah, I had to open up a sole proprietor, and he asked me for the documents required. He asked me for the company name. He asked me for the address. He asked me for the telephone number, the email address, my residence permit, and email ID, yeah, and the amount, which was 500 euros. So I provided all the documents and submitted to him, and yes, so when I paid that company or bookkeeper, So my company was fully registered and it was operating legally. So they was called to come and sign the documents, and I got approvals and confirmations and everything. So they gave me those confirmations that my company is fully registered. I have the registration number of the company. I had to take those documents to the bank to open up a bank account, because some of my customers wanted to pay online. Some don't want to pay by cash, they just want to wire the money via the bank. Yes, wire the money via the bank. Yes, so I took the documents, and the company gave, the bank gave me an account. So when the bank gave me a bank account, some of my clients were able to pay online, like clients that are under contract. They were able to pay online or on the bank. But before all that, I needed to have a work permit, because in previous system for the last year, you had to have a work permit, leave alone this new system. So I had to apply for work permit, and I got the work permit, and I was able to work. So time came for what? For taxes. But before yes, so with the old system you need to have a work permit, but with this new system under relationship, you like this card, you don't need work permit. You understand? Like, I can work even without the work permit. So everything was fully registered. I have the TIN number, like BIP. The company is fully registered. Everything is moving on well. The next thing was taxes, because we have to file taxes and pay taxes every 15th of the month. You understand, guys? So I had to contact my bookkeeper or my accountant to compute the taxes for that month. Yes, so guys, we are proceeding. Before then, we are coming on taxes. It's month for paying taxes. But before all that, I had to pay like 50 euros to activate my TIN, like my BIP. For your BIP to be active in the system, you must to pay some money at the tax, at the revenue, for your TIN to be activated. So I pay 4 types of taxes. I pay income tax, which is 1 times 10% of your income. Then I pay pension, contribution for pension and disability, insurance. I pay 24%. It is 24%. So and then I pay health insurance, which is 10.3%, and then unemployment, which is 0.75%. So the bookkeeper gets me, or my accountant, that company I use, gets me the forms. I go in the bank, like this kind. I go in the bank and pay and get proofs. Do you understand, guys? So yeah, it is not so complicated. It is very simple. Actually, having a company, I will explain to you why it is useful with the time. Yeah, so every month, every 15th of the month, I have to file up taxes. My bookkeeper files up. Yes, so guys, every month I have to pay taxes. Every 15th of the month, my bookkeeper sends assessment. Yeah, it is super easy. It's very interesting to be self-employed. And yeah, that's the end of today's video. I hope you've learned how to open up a company if you want to own one. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.